Hi and hello all of you. Today we are going to see about the storage and disposal of used needles and syringes. So, first take a look about biomedical waste management. So, it is defined as any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment or immunization of human beings or animals or in research activities pertaining thereto or in the production or testing of biologicals. So, it is a kind of many wastes containing infectious materials. There are human anatomical waste like tissues, organs, and body parts. Then, animal waste generated during research, biological and biotechnological waste, sharps like needles, syringes, and discarded medicines and psychotoxic drugs. Then, moving over to sharps. What do you mean by sharp materials? It is defined as comprising of needles, syringes, scalpels, blades, glass, that is anything that may cause punctures and cuts. These include both used and unused sharps. Needles, scalpels, infusion set, knives, blades, broken glass, etc. include in sharp waste. Then the sources of sharp waste. There are so many sources as there, but I list on only few. Government or private hospital, nursing homes, physician or dentist office or clinic, dispensaries, primary healthcare center, medical research and training centers, animal or slaughterhouse, labs or research organization. The storage of sharp. It must be collected at a point of generation in a leak-proof and puncture-resistant container. Container must bear the International Biohazard symbol and appropriate wording. The container should never be completely filled or filled above the full line indicated on the box. Then we are moving on to the segregation of biomedical waste. So, the non-infected waste, that is cytotoxic drugs and chemical waste, that all in the black color container. Then the infected waste, first one is the solid waste like infected dressing, POP cast, that all in the red color. Then the anatomical waste like placenta, pathological waste and body parts in the yellow color. Infected plastic like gloves, plastic waste in the blue color container. Then the sharp items like needles, cut glasses in white. So these are the color coding of biomedical waste management. The important and the main step for safe sharp disposal. First one, place all needle and the other sharps in a sharp disposal container immediately after they have been used. Then the second step, dispose all the used sharp disposal container according to your community guidelines. What is the importance of disposal of sharp? It is important to keep sharp out of our waste and recycling system. Most garbage or recycling facilities have people sorting garbage by hand. Safe disposal of sharp reduces the risk of harm to others and the environment. There is a common mistake and a doubt. Should needle be recapped before disposal? By the way, no. It is a big no. According to the OSHA policy is that recapping of needles in general is not appropriate. Do not recap needle for disposal whenever possible. Never recap needle using one hand to hold the cap and another to hold the needle. So it is a big no. Then moving on to disposal of sharp materials at home. In homes, how we can dispose sharp materials. Step 1. Place all needles and other sharps in a sharp disposal container immediately after they have been used. This will reduce the risk of needle stick, cuts and puncture from loose sharps. Then the step 2, dispose of used sharps disposal container according to your community guidelines. It is just for a note, the needles cannot be recycled. Needles are treated as medical waste. To dispose of them, combines must incinerate them at very high temperature to kill off all the pathogens. What all are the safety measures while dealing with sharp items? Always wash hands after removing gloves. Do not recap or bend or break discarded sharps. To pick up the needles or syringe, place a sharp container beside the sharp. Collecting and picking up the item by using tongs or pillars. Do not hold the container with your free hand. What to do if you are accidentally stuck by a used needle or other sharp? Wash the exposed area right away with water and soap, or use a skin disinfectant such as rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer. Then seek immediate medical attention by calling your physician or local hospital. So don't ignore it. Where can I dispose needles and syringes? There are so many centers for it. I just given 4-5 in here. Free Country Mobile Household Hazardous Waste Collection Event, Antelope Valley Environmental Collection Center, like that, so many are there. So that is all about my topic. Safe and effective management of waste is not only a legal necessity but also a social responsibility. Proper collection and segregation of biomedical waste is necessary. Try to reduce the waste generation. Let's individual awareness and participation. Use recycled product. Label with agent, concentration and hazard warning. Communicate with workplace hazard. Make our planet a cleaner place to live.